Hey everybody, it's Christine, and welcome to the final episode of Stealing Saturday for 2018. I'm going to take a break for the holidays, but for my very last episode this year, I am doing it with the talented Kelly. And you probably have seen her videos if you're a scrapbooker, because she is one of the best in the industry for videos. And so today, I'm super thrilled to be joining her, and you can see that I am lifting a layout from her that's a very recent one, actually. She used this really pretty diamond shape in it, and so I am going to lift that aspect. And then the other thing I'm really going to pull from her is both the photo placement and the white background. Kelly does a lot with white backgrounds, and so I knew I needed to do that to look like I was lifting her style. Now, where I veer from her style tremendously is I am going with really bright colors. I tried to go with softer, more muted colors, and it just wasn't flowing that day for me. So I went with what was going to work. And so I pulled out this page kit from the scrap room. This is from the Flavors of the Month kit this month, brand new. And this is a collection from My Mind's Eye, which it does not look like My Mind's Eye. It's very bright, colorful, lots of patterns and stuff. I would not have, if I had picked this out, I would not have picked it out as one of their collections. That said, I love it. It's really fun. So what you can see is I have cut apart this patterned paper with all the triangles on it, and I've cut it into bigger triangles, and I'm just going to form a diamond shape. This all just basically came from me sitting and looking at the paper and thinking, now how can I translate this into one of Kelly's layouts? Because I did have several that I picked out that I thought were really fun. And as I was looking at that triangle paper, I thought, this could really be cool. And so I ended up picking the most recent one. When I was creating this was the most recent layout she had done. And so it kind of made me laugh that I don't usually do like the most recent thing that someone has done when I lift from them. But in this case, I did. So the other reason that this collection specifically worked for me is look at the color of the ponchos that we were wearing. We were at Niagara Falls. We were on the Maid of the Mist, and it was October. So October in the United States is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and so we were all in on the pink. And there's not too many times that I would do quite so much pink when I'm featuring my teenage son, but this was one case where it worked. So there you have it. I have lifted pretty well her photo position. I'm a little bit more to the left than she was. But the basic design, she had a big diamond on hers and stuff. And I really love the way that looking at hers, I love the direction it took me. It was definitely an unexpected, the whole look of it just came together in kind of an unexpected way. And I'm really thrilled with how it came together. Now I'm adding on a title that says Chasing Waterfalls, a kind of a play off of that song from I think the 90s. Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls. I thought, what more perfect of a title for when you're on the Maid of the Mist at Niagara Falls. You're certainly chasing a waterfall. Now, I'm going around and outlining right now using my black pen because I've got a lot of patterns going on and I really want to give it that graphic art look. So I'm really being careful because I've got a white background, but definitely playing it up. Now, before I get too far, I do want to talk about, I am doing a fun giveaway today to wrap up this series for the year. I am doing a $25 gift package from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L. They have generously sponsored me with that. And so they, as you know, if you watch any of my videos, you know that their adhesives are all that I use and I love them. So I've got a $25 gift package for that. And I also have a $20 gift card to the Scrap Room Kit Club, which is where this page kit came from. So all you have to do to enter today is go ahead and hit that subscribe button for both me and Kelly. And go ahead and leave me a comment. Tell me if you're a first-time watcher of this series, if you've watched nearly all of them. or tell me about how you like to lift from your friends or anything. Just leave me a comment. And I will get you entered into that. So subscribe here and at Kelly's and leave me a comment, and then I will pick a winner. We're going to leave this open through November 10th. So a full week. So you have plenty of time to do that, and that's a $45 value on the prize package. So that's a fantastic one. Check back here on the 10th. What I will do is I'm going to go back and do a recap of all of my Stealing Saturday for the year and talk about which ones were my favorites, what I liked about doing the series, and so on and so forth. And I will announce the winner in that video. Now, let's finish up the actual process in this video. What I've got now is I have added in some flowers that I fussy cut. I'm adding in some banners, both a combination of fussy cutting as well as some stickers and ephemera from the page kit. All of these are just to add some collage elements to the, or cluster elements is probably a better way to put it. I guess either way works. Around the picture, so drawing that eye into the picture, all while complementing the colors that are in my diamond background. All in all, there is quite a bit going on with layering and stuff in this layout, and yet it's still a pretty simple layout. And bonus, it's one of the fastest layouts I've done in months. Once I got rolling with the diamond and with the colors, I just ripped right through this thing, which is always fun because, you know, sometimes layouts can take forever and you love the result, and sometimes they take forever and you don't love the result. But when you do one that goes really fast and you love the result, that's really awesome. I love it when that happens. So you can see everything is finally coming together, and I've got just one last detail, and that is some mist, because I'm Christine and I use lots of mist. So I'm going to add both some blue and pink mists in to finish it off. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for supporting this fun series this year. I have really enjoyed working with a lot of friends in this series, and I'm looking forward to starting it again next year. But I'm also looking forward to a little break and enjoying the holidays, and you'll definitely still be seeing lots of videos from me for the holidays and all my design team projects and all that fun stuff. But thank you for being here. Be sure to hop on over to Kelly's, check out her original video, check out her video for today, see what she lifted from me, and we will see you again, if not before. We'll see you on the 10th where I announce the winner of this giveaway. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we will see you again soon.